Hello everyone, welcome to another free capstone project idea presented by our team. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates. The Capstone Project Driving School Management System is a system that allows driving schools to automate all processes and tasks done for their daily transactions. The system will let driving schools electronically schedule classes and keep records of the students who avail for driving lessons. Conventionally, most of the driving schools use manual approach in managing their daily operations and transaction with their students. Driving schools still uses manual method in recording the information of the students as well as their schedules for their driving lessons. The manual method is ineffective and is prone to human errors such as losing records of the students, especially in their payment transactions. Both the driving school management and the students may encounter difficulties such as physical barriers and time constraints in carrying out their transactions. The researchers of the study proposed a driving school management system to automate the processes of daily transactions in driving schools. The system will let the school manage the information of the students who enrolls for driving lesson, the schedule of the students up to the payment transactions of the students. The system will allow electronic recording and keeping of records of the students enrolled in a specific driving school. The proposed system is efficient and reliable to use by driving schools. The main objective of the project is to design and develop a driving school management system that will serve as platform to electronically do processes and transactions related to driving school management. The project aims the following objectives. 1. To develop a system that will allow driving schools electronically record students' information. 2. The system will serve as a repository of the students' record enrolled for driving lesson. 3. The system will ease up scheduling students' driving lesson and payment. 4. The system is easy, efficient and reliable to use. This study concentrates on designing, developing, and implementing a driving school management system. The study is limited only on automating records management and storing of records of driving schools. The researchers will gather a sample size of driving school personnel and their students. The following individuals or groups will benefit from the success of the project. Driving schools. If the result of the study is significant, driving schools will have a system that will assist them in their daily operation. The system will be efficient in handling all processes electronically and eliminate the manual approach that may encounter a lot of difficulties. Driving instructors. By having the system, they can easily track students who are scheduled for a driving session. They can easily look for updates and communicate with their students. Students. Students who want to enroll and avail driving lessons will be benefited by the success of the project. It will be easier for them to register, schedule and pay for their driving lesson. Transacting for driving lessons will be convenient for them. Researchers. The researchers of the study will gain more experience, knowledge and skills as program developers. Future researchers. The study can serve as their guide if they wish to pursue the same project or even in developing their own version. This article will discuss the flow of the system by showing the forms, modules and user interface of the driving school management system. The login form will be used by the intended users of the system to log into the system. Each of them will have their unique username and password to be able to access the records and features of the system. The main objective of the project is to design and develop a driving school management system that will serve as platform to electronically do processes and transactions related to driving school management. The project aims the following objectives. 1. To develop a system that will allow driving schools electronically record students' information. 2. The system will serve as a repository of the students' record enrolled for driving lesson. This dashboard serves as the home page of the administrator that displays the following information. Number of instructors, total number of registered instructors, number of students, total number of students enrolled for driving lesson, total income of the driving school. The Instructor Information form requires the information about the instructors for the driving lesson. The following information should be encoded in the system: last name, first name, middle name, gender, birth date, address, contact, email, driving experience and credentials, profile picture, username, password, account status. This form requires and displays the information of the enrolled student and their instructor for the driving lesson. Schedule code, student name, instructor remarks. This dashboard serves as a home page of the students registered as students in the system. List of schedule, list of instructor. This form will let students encode their payment information for the driving lesson they take. Payment reference number, system-generated amount, date of payment, proof of payment, upload receipt, remarks. This form will display the information about the student's progress in the driving lesson. Training name, score, instructor remarks. This dashboard will serve as the home page of the driving instructor. The dashboard mainly displays the following information: list of schedule, number of students. At present, driving schools are looking for ways to improve their services in rendering formal educational program for those who wish to learn driving and become a licensed professional driver. Driving schools needs an efficient way to manage their transactions and operations daily in order to cater the needs of the students. The result of the study showed that the majority of the respondents and intended users found that the manual method of managing records of students and other records of the driving school should be eliminated and replaced with a more advanced system which will automate the whole process. Thus, the developed system highly met the needs of the respondents and the intended users of the system. The researchers of the study concluded that the developed driving school management system will provide an effective way of managing the different records in a driving school. The system will eliminate all the problems encountered in the manual method, which will help the school better improve their daily operations. By implementing the system, the school can render an improved service and satisfying experience to their students and other stakeholders. The researchers of the study highly recommend the implementation of driving school management system in order for them to automate processes such as enrolling and recording information of the students, scheduling the driving session of the students, providing payment options to the students and all other important processes. The system is highly recommended for its efficiency and reliability that can be rendered to the schools in automating the processes of their daily transactions. The researchers of the project highlighted that the intended users should have enough knowledge on how the developed system works. The researchers of the study recommend the following. 1. The developed system should be used by driving schools to assist them in conveniently carrying out their tasks. 2. The researchers recommend that the system should be installed in the school's office to be used by the assigned staffs in managing transactions and operations of the school. 3. The driving school management system should be implemented by the school in order to improve the service and experience of their students and other stakeholders. Thank you for watching. For more free capstone projects, ideas and resources, please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates on our channel. You may also reach us on our Facebook page and website.